Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an upgrade. Today I am upgrading my lighting. I am going for this little bitty LED light to studio light. So I'm going to do the unboxing on camera and you guys are going to get my reaction to see if I like it. So stay tuned. Last night I ordered this light and it was supposed to come tomorrow, and after I woke up, I seen a notification saying your product has been delivered. I was like, that was quick. But it worked out so I can make a video about it. Hey guys, so this is the new lighting. I hope you guys like it. Hope it's way better than what I was using before. I am going to link the description to this product down below. I did get it from Amazon. I got 2-day shipping, but it came the next day. It's approximately 5 feet because it's just as tall as me. It did not come with instructions, so just be aware. You have to, I'm pretty sure everything is right, and I hope that's where the umbrella goes, but that's the only place I seen to put it because I didn't see anywhere else to put it. But it's working, so that's all that matters. This product was around $20–30. It was eligible for Prime. This was just a quick video of me unboxing, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see y'all on the next adventure.